This product is a children's product, and on average, the sellers are doing over $1 million per year. This particular seller is absolutely crushing it, and we're gonna break it down. Welcome back to the channel and another episode of the 7-Figure Product Series. In this series, we review top-selling Amazon products that are grossing over 7 figures. That's $1 million per year. These are life-changing products. And in this series, our goal is to show you what's possible and most importantly, show you these products and why they're crushing it and how they're crushing it. I'm super excited to break this product down. This product, I cannot even believe that this product is this big. And that's something I want you guys to take into consideration. So many people make the mistake of choosing products that they're emotionally attached to, that they like, that they want to be known for selling, and they don't look at the market abroad. They don't look at it from an eagle's eye view. So this product is a slime kit. Now there's tons of different variations. This one is the Sensations Slime Kit by Original Stationery, and it's a slime kit. So I guess it's for making slime in like a DIY project or a sensory type product, something like that. But we're gonna dive into my computer and look at what people are making selling this type of product and how much this one product itself is making every single month, every single year. Here you can see when we type in the keyword slime kit, which you can see right here in the top left-hand corner, you can see that there's 987 results. That means there's almost 1,000 listings. So that means people are buying this and there's tons of variations. Now guys, there's literally over 100 million different products on Amazon. Using this software, this is how we identify the metrics and we can figure out what this product is selling. How many units is it selling? When's the first time it started selling? How many reviews does it have? And we can determine, is this a good product? Is it a bad product? And so much more. So regardless if you're starting your journey or you're in your journey currently and you do not have access to a good software, I highly suggest that you click the link down below or the link that's on the screen somewhere. It's discount on junglescout.com, and you get access to the software so you can follow along with the training and you can find your first or next product. Here, this is Original Stationery is the name of the brand, and here you can see they have a few different variations. And that's the good thing about when you find a home run product that's just literally crushing it, you can find variations, different colors, different scents, different flavors, different types, different sizes, different quantity. There's tons of different variations that you can create, and in doing so, you don't even have to create a new product or a new store or a new business. They can actually be underneath that listing. So you would have a parent listing or a parent ASIN, which is the main product, and then underneath it, you would have child ASINs or child listings, which are different products, essentially the same product, different variations. So here you can see, guys, this one right here, the Original Stationery Fluffy Slime Kit, is literally doing $991,000 per month. Now, this is 30 days gross revenue, which means it's not profit net take-home revenue. However, what you can do is you can take around 30% as industry average in reference to percentage of net, and you can figure out that they're making around $300,000 per month net profit. That's over $3 million net profit per year with just one product. Now guys, even though this is a high demand, high competition product, and I'm not recommending you go out by any means and start this product, but I want to expose you to the possibilities so you can see there are really people out there making millions of dollars with one product. So I get what you're saying, well, this might be the whale in the industry, this might be the biggest brand, and they're absolutely crushing it. And we get that question every day, us and our team. What if Amazon is in the industry? What if there's large sellers that are crushing and have tons of reviews and they're known in large stores? Can I still get into that market? Can I still sell those products? And the answer is yes. Up here, if you look at these average numbers are based off of all of the actual products. The average of all of these products is selling around 4,711 units per month at an average price of $20. So if we go ahead and do that math really quick, multiply 4711 times $20.21. Here you can see that the average, again, monthly sales is generating around $95,000. Even the small fries, here you can see Fun Kids is doing 80,000. Fun Kids down here is doing 300,000. You can see all these different people Elmer's doing 40. And here's the thing, Elmer's is huge. They're in Walmart and they're in CVS and all these different stores. And here in Amazon, they're the small fry, right? Learn right here doing $32,000 a month. Essison, or whatever their name is, doing $300,000 a month. So you can see that the average is around $90,000 gross. Now, net profit, if you take 30% of that's around $25,000 to $27,000 net profit per month. Hey, I hope you're enjoying the video. Regardless if you're interested in building an Amazon business yourself or partnering with us and having us hold your hand or even do the process for you, or maybe you're an Amazon seller and you're ready to pour rocket fuel on your business, click the link down below and visit amztogether.com and learn a little bit more about what our company has to offer, and most importantly, schedule a free call with me and my team. That way we can see how we can help you get to the next level. All right, so now is the fun part, guys. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this box. We're gonna break this box open. We're gonna see what's inside. We're gonna see the quality of the product, the quality of the packaging, and we're gonna see, are they doing any ninja marketing? This is by far my favorite part, and I wouldn't be lying if I said that I enjoy doing this. Not only am I helping our viewers get to the next level, start and grow their online Amazon business, but I'm getting more insider information from 7, 8, and even 9-figure brands that I can use into my own companies. Right off the bat, you can see that the packaging is a bright fluorescent pink, so you're definitely not gonna miss the packaging. You can see that it is encased in the plastic wrap. Need I say for the 500th time, I love this stuff because it protects the actual product, it protects the packaging, and it just gives it a premium feel that lets the consumer know that you care about the quality of the product. Now, the labels are high quality, they're stickers, really good print, really good feel, and they're pretty basic, really colorful to grab the eye. When you're dealing with kids, you want stuff that's gonna grab their eye. They have short attention spans. You want stuff that's colorful, fun, and they can see what the thing is, so they can see themselves playing with it or using it, right? So they've done a really well job of doing that. When we open it, the first thing that we're gonna see is this package stuffer, which is awesome. Now on the inside, you say watch video tutorials here, search our channel on YouTube. So this is amazing right here. The first thing that you see is they're advertising and they're pushing traffic from Amazon to their YouTube for multiple things. Number one, they're gonna subscribe to the YouTube channel and they're gonna be able to market to them and grow their channel. Number two, if you have a product that needs to be assembled, put together, used, and it can be complex or it can be difficult, if you don't have some type of system that's going to elaborate how to do so effortlessly, efficiently, and easily, chances are you're gonna get a lot of returns. So being able to watch videos, being able to have very good instruction manuals that are detailed, that are animated, are definitely gonna help your consumer be able to use your product, have a good time with your product, and it's gonna combat those negative reviews as well as returns. Now, the second page says, check out our glow in the dark slime kit. Very, very important. Always be marketing. Inside your product, once they're a customer, once they're a client, it is easier to sell again to clients and customers than it is to acquire new ones. So you're increasing your UPT, or unit per transaction. You're increasing your LTV, which is your lifetime customer value, by cross-promoting and selling these different products. So this is super smart. I definitely like what they're doing here. And again, guys, there will be pictures of all of the resources, all of the packaging, and a PDF that breaks down the average report of people selling this, all of the metrics, and pretty much everything that we give our clients within our business. You can download all of this for free down below. So if you want access to these free resources, you want to hack this product and see the report that we have, as well as all the resources that they're using in this 7-figure product, down below, make sure that you click and download that report. Overall, short, sweet, right to the point, animated, colorful, fun, and very informational. So overall, this is a really good package stuffer. Now, diving into the product, here you can see there's a bag with tons of stuff. You have glitter chips, and you have spoons, and you have, it looks like you have cups to put your slime in. You have slime activator, and then it looks like you have clear glue, soft clay, measuring beacon, a plastic measuring beacon, and lastly, it looks like you have jelly foam cubes. It looks like this product is pretty inexpensive to make, and it looks like it's super fun for children. The packaging is good. This is a really high quality toolbox that you could keep forever. You could buy more stuff, put it in here. You can keep everything safe. It's plastic, so it's probably waterproof or slime proof. Overall, the branding is efficient, it's effective, it looks amazing, and they're absolutely crushing it. Overall, this product is amazing. I really like the use of advertisement and cross promotion that they have inside of the package stuffer. I love the cross pollination and promotion of the social media. They had the Instagram in there. I didn't see anything about a website or anything like that. You know, I like using websites as well. However, they are cross promoting, they are advertising, and they are absolutely crushing it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video in our series 7-Figure Products. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for this video. And if you're not subscribed, 93% of you guys who watch my stuff religiously are not subscribed. If you could please click that subscribe button. Next to it, click the notification bell so you're notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when we drop new videos. I would greatly appreciate it. In just a few seconds, you're gonna see another 7-Figure product video popping just up above. Go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, you're only one product away.